it's here! Good morning, good morning. Right now it is, you see, minute to 5. So I'm making tea for the beach. So first up, a hunk of ginger. I'm gonna try to find a lemon or some orange to make a tea infusion for the beach. So we swim in the sea at sunrise. So sunrise now is 5:04. So I'm walking out to the beach. Just show you now for gorgeous. Swim done, 5 AM. Couldn't be nicer, really. I definitely consider this the first meal of the day, for sure.
Cup of tea for first brekkie. Ginger and lemon. Delicious. Really is.
Let's have a good day. Okay, swim done. It's still maybe 6:30 in the morning. What are we up to now, Dave?
We're going for a run. It's delicious. We're, I guess oxygen is our primary fuel source and we kind of forget that often. But running is just such a way. I don't know, we've always been these primates that love to run. It tends to fill us up and yeah, and put your head in the right place.
And I know today we've to drive to Cork, so we're in the car a lot today, so we thought good to get out and get some exercise while we can. That was just good for the soul. I think those mornings where the sun is shining like that and just it's bright, it just feels magical, absolutely magical. And there you are anyway, run complete. Feeling good, ready for the day. Gonna go do some meditation now. I think meditation is food for the soul. I think it's that opportunity to slow down and try to get present with what's going on. And just, for me, it's about practicing accepting what's going on in my body and my kind of mind. And yeah, anyway, I find it really helpful. We've been meditating for maybe, nearly 20 years, I'd say. On and off, go through phases where I'm really into it and phases where I'm not. But anyway, food for the soul. So for breakfast, I've gotten the habit of having chia seed pudding. So I'm gonna make a really nice one here with kind of ground flax and with loads of fruit and a little bit of coconut yogurt and almond butter. It's so tasty. One of my favourite foods for the soul is walking the kids to school. So May doesn't want to walk with me, she's too old, but the two boys do, so here we go. Daisy here, she's ready for school.
Hi.
Theo's got his lunch. Ned Flynn's ready. Hi. Ned, here, get your bag. Come on, we gotta go to school.
Where is my bag?
I think it's in the other room. Oh my God, look, it's here.
Okay, this is like getting the exam results. It really is. We've been writing this book for about a year. We've just got it delivered. We believe this is our new book, The Veg Box.
And it's amazing. It really is like, I feel nervous, I feel anxious, I feel excited. It's like the same kind of emotion, both sides of it, because we've been working on it digitally, and it's only when you actually hold it and feel it and see the paper and see how the photos came out that it's like, wow. So mine didn't have a look.
Cool look.
Oh wow. Oh, I like the spine.
Jeez, the
Oh, it's
spine.
classy.
Cool look, carrots and broccoli. One each. Here we go, Mr. Flynn.
Okay. Oh, it's big. Look at this.
Lovely.
So it's really matte. So we've had a little sampler for the last while, and it was always shiny, but this is
beautiful. Oh, look at that! That's a nice photo.
That's a handsome
You look
one.
like you were just spooked. Oh, look, you're first again.
Yeah. So with their books, it's been every second book it's changed from David Flynn, Stephen Flynn to Stephen Flynn, David Flynn, just to keep us
This is
both that.
fun. Oh, look at that. So yeah, we've taken the 10 most common veg, like there's a chapter by vegetable. So it's kind of, we designed it to make it super simple for people. Like, so, you know the way supermarkets always have vegetables and specials and people don't know what to do with them? Well, this is how to save money by eating more veg, because this shows you how to cook more veg. Or look, see, say for example, this is the broccoli chapter. So we go through it: broccoli, buying, storing, growing, cooking. You know, each recipe has less than 10 ingredients. So we've made it really simple. It's the broccoli. Wow, that's beautiful, isn't it? I love the feel of the paper. The pages, the paper's beautiful.
Yeah, because we used recycled paper. It was printed
Ooh,
in Italy.
that's nice. Look at that. Beef brownies with berry chocolate mousse. Boom.
Oh, look at that. The lad's looking romantic.
Old school hobbits.
It's funny, like even me looking at it now, I feel kind of nervous. I'm not like my initial reaction is like, wow,
I love the feel of it. I think it's beautiful. It's better than I expected. Oh, that for cool. There's two Bertolettos.
Oh yeah, I said that.
Vegetable moustaches. Oh, look at that. That's nice.
I like that touch. Like recipe notes. I've never seen that in any of our books.
That's cute. This is beautiful. Oh, look at the lads.
Oh yeah, it's cute.
That's cool. You look great. You look great. The Hanson pills are working there.
Anyway, we're going to sit down and devour this. It's pretty special. It is available to pre-order if anyone wants it to be out in 2.5
And really
weeks.
it's about like, you know, you've got those two wonky carrots in the bottom of the fridge and you're wondering what to do with them. We've got a carrot chapter
Look,
here.
you open it up, look, carrot chapter, you go carrot 136.
And it teaches you how to, you know, it's got carrot granola,
Carrot granola,
carrot flapjacks,
carrot salad, carrot tartlets, carrot
warm carrot and red
soup,
lentil stew,
carrot falafels, carrot burgers, carrot tagine.
all with less than 10 ingredients. So it's
Carrot
about
flapjacks, I love that with pistachio. They were really
empowering you to easy carrot cupcakes. So it really is. We've pushed the boundaries in this one, and it's about empowering you.
It was
to
about paring
cook
it back, so it's like 10 ingredients, 10 ways.
Was that intentional?
Using 10 and bag. Yeah, but it's a little bit like that.
Okay. Anyway,
classy.
thank you for joining us. We are very, very grateful. And yeah, if you'd like to pre-order it, there's a link down below. Yum, 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 yum.
So is this first brekkie, second brekkie, or an appendage of them all?
It's the start of eating. I think this is my second little bread roll.
So where are we now? We're
And
now.
my second decaf oat
So
latte.
we're now outside the Happy Pear.
Oh, it's class.
What
It is
coffee
the
do
good
you
life. This is a decaf oat. I'm going old school jippy.
Bread and coffee. And this is Sarah. This is wonderful Sarah. And Sarah's grown a baby.
I am. 7 months, would you believe? I'm tiny though.
7? Is
Yeah.
it 7 now?
Well, 6.5 and I'm rounding up, you know?
Pretty amazing.
Don't let the truth get in the way of a good story.
Yeah.
Never
There you
let the truth get in the way.
Anyway, there you are. First brekkie, standing out, having the chats outside the Happy Pear. It's glorious.
But they don't know.
Okay, this is brekkie. Look, it's a bit like a trough, and if I do weigh it, what do you mean by trough? Like an animal feeding station. But
Oh, yeah, do you wanna weigh it?
Out of interest, let's just come in and weigh it. Just there. Sheer curiosity. Look at brekkie.
What does Stephen's brekkie weigh? 1.2 kg.
That's what
That's horse food.
That's probably 1 kilo when you take the box like.
time that's of consuming. So welcome to the car. There's David Flynn. We're in the car for 3 hours now, all the way down to Cork.
2 hours 52 to be precise.
Let me just show you. And next little mid-morning snack, I'm gonna have a little nap. Dave's been driving. We had a couple of meetings there online, and now it's nap time. Oh, I'm just stripped in the car.
As you do.
Well, it's got pretty hot actually. It's actually a full 17 degrees.
Which is pretty good. June the 2nd here in Ireland. Not
bad.
We're halfway through the journey. We've both had a nap.
Yeah.
We both had a half.
And there's all the food bags. We got a pretty good food bag here, which is
Food
pretty great.
box.
Yeah, I think I'll go for it. Banana, or do you want a bar, Dave? We're going for the bar. Little bit emotional help. So this one we call our Mighty Millionaire. Really nice. I really like this one. So it's a date and almond butter caramel. There you are, to your help. Really nice and crumbly.
Okay, first lunch we have a plant-based breakfast roll. So this is a scrambled tofu. We have vegan sausages. We've got kind of charred roasted red pepper and a little bit of leaves, and there's a bit of mayo and a bit of sun-dried tomato.
And this is a sourdough baguette that we baked in the bakery this morning that Danny and Sabi
organic sourdough. So
yeah, so there you are. It's always so tasty. I love this sandwich so much. That genuinely is one of the nicest sandwiches I think up there I've ever had. So it's like a tofu scramble. We make these really nice caramelized onion and mushroom sausages, roasted red pepper leaves. There's some sun-dried tomato pesto and a vegan mayo and sourdough baguette, and it is just magnificent. Anyway, we gotta go do our talk. Yeah, this is where we're doing our talk. Yeah, there's David.
all set now. We're going to go in and report into the boss. The talk was just finished. Went great bit of fun. So next little snack. So these are little seaweed crisps, which I always love. I know the idea of seaweed crisps might sound bizarre, but they're really tasty. Yeah, they really
Nice
are.
way of
Nice
getting-
and salty. And this is by a friend actually runs this company. She's lovely. At least this is Clear Spring. They're organic sea veg crispies. Really nice. very crispy. 3-hour journey back home now.
Yeah, now we're driving back home. Okay, quick pit stop. Pearmobile there. We've been in the car for, I don't know, it feels like 2 more hours. We're gonna have a picnic on the side of the road. It's raining, but we just thought it's much nicer to have a picnic outside, even in the rain, than to have it in the car. So here's a little food bag. There's David Flynn. And here's a little food box. So, in our food box, okay, we have some alfalfa sprouts, chocolates and blueberries, bananas. We've really nice, this is my favorite bread. This is a sourdough spelt bread. This is an Irish one. So we're gonna have that with pesto. It's be great. And some bickies and some avocados. Here we are. So it started raining too strong, so we should take our picnic inside. So this is what one calls brotherly love. Oh, good. That's good crusty sourdough, look at that. Good work. There we are, boom. Anyway, there you are, lunch and dinner. So I think brunch is overrated. I think we're working on bringing in a new thing called Linner. So it's a blend between lunch and dinner.
And it kind of sounds like Flinner as well. Flinner's Linner.
Anyway, so we were busy, I guess, with our talks. We had a little bit of lunch. It was kind of brunch, really. So now we're having Linner. So this is our lunch plus dinner together. So we finished all our dips and bread and avocado, and now welcome to dessert. We have a selection of chocolates. I do love chocolate. This is a really nice company. This is Ambar. They make a kind of vegan, slightly milk. Sorry, I did dribble some pesto on it. So we're having a little. This is how we're serving. This is how your dessert is served. So some blueberries. These are organic, and as you can see, I really washed them. And then you go into your brother's hand, and then he horses them into him. But really goes nice together. I think it goes really, really well together. And the blueberries, like, it's a great way of getting more kind of goodness into you and make your chocolate seem more multifaceted. Anyway, there you are. Here's to Linner. And thanks, Mel, for watching that. Just out of the car. 2 tired boys after 7 hours in the car.
Yes, definitely tired. So yeah, thanks Mel for watching. Really, really appreciate it. Hope you found this entertaining. If you made it this far, fair play to you. Thank you.
Come join us for a swim anytime, or if you want to learn more about the book, link down below.
Or come visit in Greystones sometime.
Cheers. Bye.